Hey, I'm Annika from iDoc, and in this video I'll show you how to detach and reattach connectors safely. The various components of a smartphone are connected to the motherboard via plug-in connections, the so-called connectors. Connectors are very sensitive and can be easily damaged. In the worst case, this can lead to the failure of an entire component. Therefore, always be especially careful when attaching connectors and use a plastic tool to avoid potential short circuit. Always apply your tool to the connector from a free side to avoid damaging, for example, small capacitors on the motherboard. Some manufacturers like Samsung and Xiaomi use small arrows and notches in their devices to indicate where to place the tool best. You also have to proceed carefully when reattaching connectors. They are seated correctly when you can hear and feel them click into place.
Ich hoffe, dieser Reparaturtipp hat dir weitergeholfen.
If this repair tip helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We've compiled more tips for your repair in a playlist. Check it out on occasion. You can find high-quality tools, spare parts and accessories for your smartphone repair in our store. iDoc, everything for your smartphone. Click here for more helpful videos. See you next time.